So, quick overview of the bag. I didn't test it, I've just unboxed it. Just want to do a quick overview, what I think about it. I think for the price, we've got something quite decent. I don't think I will personally use it because I've actually got a bag that is in the price range of 4 times the price. It's really better, but it's 4 times more expensive. I think what we've got here for the price is impressive. What is missing on the first impression is the belt. I would really like to have a belt. Actually, I just got a computer and a laptop and it feels comfortable, but I think if I put more and I go do some hiking and those kind of stuff, I would like to have a belt. And then, well, it's leatherette. It looks great, but I think I would have preferred to have real fabric instead of false leather. That's my thought. You got a big pouch over here. Well, not so big, but it's elastic, and you can probably put a water bottle over here. And on the inside, I think this looks kind of great, and it's easy to open, so that's all right. It's just protect the 2 entrances on top here that you can open that one. You have access to a compartment, and this one, you see the bottom, it can be removed, and if you just want to have a bigger pocket, it can be removed. And there is 2 pockets at the end. Inside, if I open that one, and that one can open fully because you have access to that compartment. There is 3 pockets on top, and you can remove those guys if you want to open it fully and put a camera inside. Actually, what you see over here, those compartments, you can just set them up as you wish. Actually, you have those kind of things with Velcro, so you can set it up the way you want. There is another pocket over here if you want to put your computer. That's a MacBook Air 14, MacBook Pro 14 inches. I think the 16 would fit too. On the side, you got a quick access door to get your camera quickly, and you have 2 little pockets with Velcro over here. It says 1 for battery and 1 for memory card. And there's something else that I forget to try. Let me get it. There is that rain cover. So really, again, for the price, I think you have a lot. Not my favorite bag, but still something quite decent. I don't know the price by heart. You can check it with the link in the description, and there's a coupon if you want to save a little on it. Just check in the description. So I hope this was helpful, and I hope to see you in another video. See ya!